Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest reviews and unboxings. Today, I am beyond excited to talk to you about the original Apple iPhone X. This revolutionary smartphone has completely changed the game when it comes to mobile technology. With its Face ID feature, you can unlock your phone with just a glance, providing an unparalleled level of security and ease of access. The 5.8-inch OLED display ensures crystal clear visuals, and the 12MP dual back camera allows you to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. And let's not forget about the lightning-fast A11 Hexa core processor, which means you can breeze through all of your favorite apps and games without any lag. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business professional, or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the iPhone X is the perfect choice for you. And the best part? It's unlocked and compatible with 4G LTE, so you can use it with any carrier of your choice. So, if you're ready to elevate your smartphone experience to the next level, make sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the original Apple iPhone X. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more exciting reviews and unboxings on my channel.